Hello everyone, welcome to one more videos, and this is one of the most common questions that I usually get. How can I make my computer faster? Let me show you a really good trick. So for that, you need to go right here and then make a right click on this PC, go to Properties. Then just go to Advanced System Settings. In Advanced System Settings, you are going to go to the first option that says Performance, Visual Effect, Processor Scheduling, Memory Usage, and virtual memory. Just click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, you can just adjust for best performance. Then click on Apply, click on OK, click on OK, and then just try to do something that you were trying to do before, and you're going to notice that the response is super quick. This is a really good trick. Just keep in mind that the pictures, they might look different, and the graphics and a few things, because basically what the computer is doing, it's reducing graphic and things that they are not in use at the moment, and then that's going to improve the performance on the computer. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.